Hello and welcome. Today we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of cucumbers. We'll uncover the secrets to cultivating these delightful vegetables, ensuring your gardening endeavors are met with resounding success. So let us begin our exploration. Our journey commences with the very foundation of life for a cucumber plant, the soil. Cucumbers thrive in loose, well-drained soil that provides ample space for their roots to spread and seek sustenance. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH level ranging from 6 to 7. Cucumbers are particularly fond of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, the trifecta of plant nutrition. Amending your soil with compost or well-rotted manure provides a natural and sustainable way to introduce these vital nutrients. Regularly incorporating these organic materials into your garden beds will create a fertile haven for your cucumbers to flourish. Imagine, if you will, a crowded forest floor where plants fiercely compete for sunlight, nutrients and space. Similarly, our cucumbers thrive when provided with adequate space to spread their leaves, soak up the sun's rays, and delve deep into the soil with their roots. The ideal spacing for cucumber plants can vary slightly depending on the variety and growth habit. For vining cucumber varieties, consider providing a sturdy trellis or support system. This not only maximizes space in your garden, but also encourages vertical growth, making harvesting a breeze and improving air circulation around the plants. By providing adequate spacing, we create an environment where each plant can reach its full potential, yielding a bountiful harvest that would make any gardener proud. With our soil prepared and spacing carefully considered, we now turn our attention to the heart of the matter: planting the cucumber seeds. Begin by selecting a sunny location for your cucumber patch, as these sun-loving plants thrive in areas that receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, sow your cucumber seeds directly into the soil after the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed. Plant each seed approximately half to 1 inch deep, ensuring it is gently but firmly covered with soil. Within a week or two, you should begin to see the first signs of life emerge from the soil as tiny cucumber seedlings bravely push their way towards the sun. As your cucumber seedlings grow, thin them out to maintain proper spacing. As our cucumber plants take root and begin their upward climb, it's essential to provide them with the lifeblood of growth water. Consistent and adequate watering is crucial for maintaining the health and vigor of your cucumber plants. Aim to water your cucumbers deeply and evenly, providing approximately 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Mulching around your cucumber plants with straw grass clippings or shredded leaves helps retain soil moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Mulch also helps suppress weed growth, creating a tidy and productive garden bed. Addressing any signs of stress promptly will help ensure your cucumbers remain healthy and productive throughout the growing season. As with any thriving ecosystem, a cucumber patch can attract a variety of insects and creatures, some more welcome than others. One common culprit is the cucumber beetle, notorious for munching on leaves and spreading diseases. Inspect your plants regularly for these unwelcome visitors and take steps to deter them, such as using row covers or companion planting with herbs like dill and oregano. Another potential threat comes from aphids, tiny sap-sucking insects that can weaken plants and stunt their growth. Introducing beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings to your garden can help keep aphid populations in check naturally. By being vigilant and proactive, we can protect our cucumber plants and ensure a bountiful harvest. As we conclude our journey into the world of cucumber cultivation, I trust you feel equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your own gardening adventure. Remember, the rewards of growing your own food extend far beyond the dinner table. Gardening connects us with nature, teaches us patience and resilience, and provides a sense of accomplishment that comes from nurturing life. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts and subscribe for more insightful tips on cultivating a thriving and abundant garden. Until next time, happy gardening.